Hi, daughter.
Dad? Is that you?
Of course it's me. How's the little tour going?
Gosh, it's amazing. A real dream come true. I just wish we could all get together for Thanksgiving.
That's what I'm calling about. I'm coming to town. You're gonna cook Thanksgiving dinner. I bring the whole family and all your 99 cousins.
No way.
And Mom, we're ready to eat.
Dad, you know I'm a terrible cook. I can't even warm food up in the microwave without burning it.
Oh, you'll be fine. You just make all the homemade dinner classics.
Not happening. Oh. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. This is going to be terrible. Oh, I can't believe this is the biggest turkey chicken, I don't even know, in the whole town. Oh. Okay. I can do it. Okay. What do I do first? Okay. Let's see. Recipe books. There's the internet. All right. So, cut. Okay, I can. Oh, okay, this is so easy. Okay, so mix it. This is so cold. It's frozen. It says it's to thaw. Surely it'll thaw in the oven. Yeah, let's go. Done. It's starting to smell okay in here. Oh my gosh, they're gonna be here in 25 minutes. Let's see if this bird's done. Gotta get my oven mitts. It shrunk. It's frozen. What am I gonna do?
Here's the big one.
How to make a Thanksgiving dinner in 20 minutes. No, come on, there's gotta be something.
Hi, Razzle Dazzles. I love you. So I'm gonna show you this light. Oh my gosh, I need to fix my hair in the viewfinder. Okay, hi. So I know on Thanksgiving, it's so hard to cook the turkeys, and it takes 4 hours, so I'm gonna teach you how to do it in 25 minutes, but first subscribe.
These YouTubers are ridiculous. I gotta call a real chef. Oh my gosh, who are you?
I am Chef Snazzy. Real name Monkey Dog, always on the back of the shirt. And
What are you doing here?
Don't square that. I am going to make Thanksgiving food.
Wait, what? Can you do it in 20 minutes?
I don't know, music in my ear, but let's go.
20 minutes?
Blindfold.
You're hired.
Woo! The music, I love this song, honey boo boo. Woo! Woo! Blindfolded professional chef. Let's get it. Boom, done. Lady.
You got it done good because my dad's gonna be here. What is this? There's a
Thanksgiving dinner.
fish head floating in the... That's my dad!
I got you.
Let it go. Thank you, babe.
I'm out. Ow! That hurt so bad.
Dad?
I'm ready to eat.
Okay. Here it is.
What's that?
Well, I hired a really fancy chef because I just couldn't do it. So try it. You know, it's going to be great. Oh.
This is the nearest McDonald's.
I'll get my keys.
She's like a movie star, a shining so bright. Oh, you look so glamorous in this night. No people bad mind, but no pay them wine. Just keep your head up and continue shine. No for them attack and you'll fully define. Step up in the life and you will leave girls behind. Make them go and chat and you a wonders and sign. Tell you look good in a style. She's like a movie star, a shining so bright. She's like a Miss Goody Goody in the middle of the night. She's like a movie star, shining so bright. Woman, you're glamorous in a style. You are the only thing around and when you come. She's like a movie star, a shining so bright. Oh, you look so glamorous in this night. No people bad mind, but no pay them wine. Just keep your head up and continue shine. No for them attack and you'll fully define.
Here's the reading passage version of the story you just watched. This is written in first-person point of view. See if you can find out why. The clock was ticking and I was feeling stressed. I had to get that bird in the oven. I flipped through a recipe book, but then decided the internet would be a better option. I found a recipe, was able to follow it, and for a moment, I felt like I was going to make a decent meal. Although the turkey seemed a bit frozen, I tossed it in the oven anyway. I thought to myself, it will thaw while it cooks, right? I checked my watch. Oh my gosh, my dad will be here in 25 minutes. I screeched. I pulled that turkey out of the oven and was completely terrified with the result. It seemed to have shrunk, and it was still frozen hard as a rock. This story happened to the person telling the story. The character is sharing her experience with you, what she saw, how she felt, and what she thought. We see words like I, my, I thought, myself, all first-person point of view words. Let's now briefly look at the story written from a third-person point of view. This is when a narrator tells the story. They're not in it, they're like an outsider. A narrator is like someone who has observed a situation, watched it happen, and they can tell you what they saw. 1 year ago, she was living her dream life. Erin had finally made it to the top as a musician and was traveling from country to country on her very own world tour. It was just before Thanksgiving when she returned to New York, where her home was, for a performance. She was a little bummed that she wouldn't be getting together with her family for one of her favorite holidays, but at least Erin would be home. The musician had made plans to order a nice lunch from her favorite restaurant and watch her favorite movies. Then, Erin's plans changed drastically. Do you understand why this is a third-person point of view? The person telling the story is not in it, but the narrator still knows what the character experienced, their thoughts, their feelings, their actions. And sometimes a narrator knows only the thoughts, feelings, actions of just one character, the main one, but sometimes they know the thoughts, feelings, and actions of many characters. Be careful. Warning, danger, danger. You might see the word I or us or some other word that reminds you of a first-person point of view inside of a third-person point of view story. This happens usually when there's a conversation between two or more characters. But remember, any conversation in a story told from a third-person point of view will be in quotation marks. Do not mistake this for first-person point of view. Always think of the big picture. Overall, who told the story?